My name is Jared Bruening with Heartland Express, and today I'm going to show you how to set the auto start stop Espar Heater Airtronics on an International LT. First, you set the auto start stop. You simply turn the key on for a few seconds, turn the key off, and then when you turn the key off, it gives you 30 seconds to set the auto start stop button. You simply push the button, it will light up green, and then the auto start stop is set. The auto start stop button on, it will watch your battery voltage at all times and your oil sump temperature in the cold winter. If you turn the Espar Heater on, simply go to the Espar Heater controls, turn the power button on twice until it says heater enabled, and then you can adjust your temperature with the two arrows. To set the Bunk AC, simply find the no idle cool button, turn that on until it turns green, then down below you'll have your fan speed arrows and your temperature arrows. This has been an overview of the International LT. First thing is mainly to set your auto start stop, and second, comfort yourself in the back setting the heat or the AC unit.